What if I told you that Jon Snow is officially returning to Westeros, but not in the way fans expected? After years of speculation, cancelled spin-offs, and endless fan theories, one of the most beloved characters in Game of Thrones is finally back. And this time, he's stepping into a brutal new battle where history itself can be rewritten. Could this be the return that Game of Thrones fans have been waiting for? Game of Thrones may have ended in 2019, but the world of Westeros has never truly disappeared. With House of the Dragon reigniting interest in George R.R. Martin's universe, Warner Bros. And PlaySide Studios have now revealed Game of Thrones: War for Westeros, a brand new real-time strategy game scheduled to launch in 2026 for PC. The game was first unveiled during Summer Game Fest and immediately caught fans' attention with its cinematic trailer. The biggest surprise? Jon Snow is back. Played once again in his iconic appearance from the HBO series, Jon returns as one of the game's legendary heroes. But this isn't simply a replay of the TV show. The developers are introducing an alternate history experience where players can actually change the fate of Westeros. Instead of watching history unfold exactly as it did on television, you'll command entire armies and decide who wins the greatest wars in the Seven Kingdoms. That means battles can end very differently from the series. Jon Snow vs. the Night King. The reveal trailer delivers one unforgettable moment. Jon Snow once again faces the Night King. Fans instantly recognized echoes of the famous Battle of Winterfell. But this time, things don't go according to the story we already know. The trailer suggests that the game embraces what-if scenarios, allowing players to rewrite major events from Game of Thrones rather than simply relive them. That alone has generated enormous excitement across the fandom. Gameplay. Unlike previous Game of Thrones games, War for Westeros is a full real-time strategy experience. Players can command several powerful factions, including House Stark, House Lannister, House Targaryen, the Night King's White Walkers. Each faction comes with unique armies, heroes, strengths, and strategies. You'll command infantry, cavalry, siege weapons, dragons, giants, and iconic heroes while fighting across famous locations from the Wall to King's Landing. The game supports both single-player campaigns and multiplayer battles. Can you play as the Night King? Yes. Perhaps the most shocking feature is that players can actually control the Night King himself. Instead of simply defending Westeros against the White Walkers, you can become the greatest threat the realm has ever faced. Imagine leading the army of the dead against Winterfell. Or changing history so the Night King wins. It's exactly the kind of alternate storytelling many fans have imagined for years.